Fire and ice, hot and cold. Elemental extremes have always fascinated and challenged people. Throughout time, various techniques and devices have been used in an effort to accurately measure temperature conditions. It was not until the invention of thermometers a little over 400 years ago that actual temperature conditions could be measured exactly. The discovery of infrared radiation by the physicist Wilhelm Herschel in the early 19th century opened up new possibilities for measuring temperature, without contact and thus without affecting the object being measured. Compared to the first infrared temperature measurement devices, which were heavy, complicated to operate, and rather inaccurate, the image of such instruments today has completely changed. Raytek is one of the leading producers of infrared temperature devices. From miniature sensors to sophisticated thermal imaging systems, Raytek offers customized products for every industry to measure temperature quickly, safely, and accurately, within a range of -40 to 3000 degrees Celsius. They're easy to operate and can even be installed into machinery. The Raytek success story began in 1963 in Silicon Valley with the development of the analog infrared thermometer Circuit Rider. In the following years, the company established its current headquarters in Santa Cruz, California, and introduced a variety of innovative infrared products which made Raytek a well-known brand all over the world. The Raytek Ranger, introduced in 1980, was the first microprocessor-based handheld infrared thermometer. Today, Raytek is part of a worldwide operating company with regional headquarters in the United States, Germany and China, and with a global network of qualified distributors and local customer support. Here in Berlin, Germany, a highly motivated team of specialists works together to develop and manufacture innovative infrared temperature devices. Long-term testing and calibration ensure accurate measurements under almost every operating condition. First-class quality, on-time delivery, and excellent logistics are absolute priorities. Raytek products are being used worldwide in numerous applications where temperature plays an important role. Typical industries for the use of Raytek products are metals, glass, plastics, paper and printing, cement and lime, food. And typical processes are melting, casting and rolling, coating and laminating, heating, cooling and drying, printing and painting, extruding, tempering and annealing. Raytek products help to prevent damage and to ensure product quality. Raytek infrared temperature sensors have been helping our customers all over the world for over 40 years to improve their manufacturing efficiency and business results. With engineering and service centers in the United States, Europe and Asia, and a global network of qualified distributors, we guarantee you flexibility, dedicated customer support, fast service, and individual application assistance. For more information, contact our local Raytek representative in your country.